Okay, so you run your installer after you've downloaded it. Then you'll accept the locations to install. If you want to restore a user database, then tick on the restore user accounts first. You can only get one chance at this when you move to a new server. Give your database a name, or a password, and confirm it. That's for the database access, not Spire. Port number by default is 10880. You can leave that if nothing's interfering with it. You can accept the firewall settings, otherwise you're going to need to involve an IT person. Data collection is for us to get error messages if you have them. It's very useful to turn that on. The shortcut name, you can uncheck pgadmin. It's not required for anything except for direct access to the database. Then it will install the program. Set the permissions of the files, and then you can click on Finish. At this point, you'll register your account. So you're going to give, this is your username in Spire. So the administrator's username in Spire. You can add more administrators later if you wish, but at this point, it's the first administrator. Okay, we'll continue. We need an email address. Every user in Spire needs an email address. We use this within the program, so it's important to add that. Okay, from here, you can click Continue. If it's a partner activation, your partner would use that. And then you're going to register if this is your first time. Otherwise, you just use your login that you've created in the past. And then you'll click on Sign Up. And at that point, you need to look in your email, and you'll have an authorization for that. Okay, and then your email, you'll see you'll receive this verification, and you'll click on it, and then you'll get a message that it's been verified, and then you'll be able to log into Spire Admin. Okay, once you're logged in here, just fill in your company name and information. This is your registration for Spire. This will be a first-time registration. Fill in all your contact information. Agree to the certificates and the license. And then the certificate can take up to a minute or so to register. Okay, so here we're going to log in with our Spire username and password that we created when we installed. And there we are. Spire server is installed, and maybe we'll just try restore a database. We got a backup one here, a snapshot that we created earlier, and it's got a default snapshots of 1 per day, or 1 total saving, and you can change to whatever you want there, and by default it backs up at just before midnight every night. And that just takes a few seconds for this small database, and there we are. We are fully installed.